You go first.
Body,
Body fight.
open the
Open
flat.
the flat.
Ancient world.
Legend world.
My body is Tyralord, Cerberus Og.
My body is demonic descent, sword of the king, Levantine revival body.
Okay, I go first.
Declaring lost.
Go first. Draw. Whew. Charge and draw.
Okay.
Cast Divine Dragon. Creation. Pay
Go.
to left. Draw towards.
Go.
Call. Domilord Cerberus. On entry. Search deck for up to one size 4 or greater, or in Overcrest.
Okay. Cut.
Set Overcrest. Skill. Renewal Supremacy Cerberus. Drop. If I do put a up to one max dragon spell with set or an item. So I will put an item to my hand. When this is in drop, all max dragon get critical +1 and power 10,000.
Cut.
Set. Champions Intimidation.
Go.
I could
Go.
pay 1 gauge. Pay 1 life. Dragon Lord Crescent Blade. If only one monster is on my field, critical +2 and power +10,000. Champions Intimidation skill. Put up to one max dragon monster from deck to the drop zone.
Go.
All max dragon get now power 20 and critical +2. Cast Dragon Lord bursts forth. Drop a max dragon. Tap deck to gauge, gain 1 life, draw 2 cards. Then if the size is 4 or greater, draw another card. Tap deck to gauge, gain 1 life, draw 3. 1, 2, 3. Go. Okay. Entering battle phase.
Go.
1 critical +5 +2. Attack for 7.
7. Wow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down to 3. FTJ.
No. Turn end.
Alright.
Call a Sax Max Dragon from hand or drop zone by paying the call.
Mhm.
On entry, put 1 Max Dragon from deck to the hand and shuffle the deck. And defense plus 15,000.
Alright. How many defense in total?
25.
25.
Cut.
Cut.
Turn it.
Turn end. Draw. Charge and draw. Cast Ingelgard. Drop
Go.
a hand card. Draw 2 cards. 1, 2. Alwidol skill. When this card is discarded, put the top card of your deck into the cage. And draw a card. Equip. Body equip, right?
Yes.
Body equip. Demonic Descent, Sword of the King, Levantine, Revival Body. Equip cost, drop a hand card. No. This one. Set. Infallible Blade Wall. Mhm. Cast Fable of the Sword Sage.
Null. Spell.
Nice.
Did you pay the life?
Mhm. Cast Merlin's Advice. Look at the top 3 cards. Put one among them into your hand. Put one among them into your gauge. Put up to 1 hero into your hand and put the rest into the trap zone. One to your gauge. One to hand. One to hand. And in trap zone. Right. Pay to gauge. Cast Friendship Puzzle. Pay to gauge. Draw 3 cards. Drop 2 hand cards. 1, 2, 3. 2 hand cards. And I will use Overkill.
Go.
A1 gauge. And drop a hand card. Put the top 7 from your deck into the drop zone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Equip any number of hero items from your drop zone without paying their equip cost. skill. You discard a card from your hand.
Ah, wait. You drop.
Hmm?
You drop this. No, he dropped this. Effect. When you did overturn, you drop that card.
Hmm.
So, when you drop that, it has an effect.
Put the top card of your deck. Engage. You gain 1 life. And draw a card.
Then, one entry.
1 entry. Is there any other 1 entry? Okay. Effects. Game effects. Same effect. Same effect. Okay, so this one. Discard. Put a sword on the king from your deck into your hand. Shuffle your deck. Cut. And then this one. Drop. Okay. Yeah, drop. Then search. This one. Cut. One left. Right? Start of the attack phase. This one. 4. Can I just equip 4? Directly. Or should
Go.
I shop
No,
4
go.
each?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Cut. Alright. Defense check.
25,000.
25,000. Here go this one.
Oh, wait. Sorry.
Mhm.
Not 10. 45,000. This one also gets defense defense plus 10,000.
Alright. 40.
45.
45. 2, 3, 4, 46. Ah, wait. Is that can redirect or no?
What?
Can that redirect?
Why?
Ano siya? Yeah. 46.
How many?
Penetrate for
20,
20, 10, 10,
40.
43, 3, 46.
Okay. Cast. Word break. Card win someone. Gain life equal to the size. And the next time it will be destroyed. Remains on the field. Nullify the destruction.
Nullify the destruction. Alright. So, this is double attack. Double attack. These are rested. Again, 20, 10, 40, 47. When this card attacks, if you have 3 or more hero on your field, destroy a card. Is there all?
Yes.
Destroy a card. I said, yeah, I cannot do gain 2. 47.
47. Null the attack. Then look at the number of cards equal to the size. So size 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put 1 to hand. And bottom of the deck.
Okay. Alright. Next. So these are all rested as well.
Wait.
Yes.
Power check. 1, 10, 20. Okay, go. Proceed.
Proceed. Mm-hmm. Then 20, 30, 42, 4, 5. Center.
45. P1 gauge. Draw card. Call Call a Max Dragon from hand. 1 entry.
Cut.
Go.
How many defense?
35,000.
35. 40.
No, change target.
Change
already.
target. These are all for this double attack. Okay, double attack. These are all rested. 35.
35.
1, 2, 3. 36.
Dead.
And this is their penetrate for 2, 4, 6.
1 to 5.
And then when this card destroys your opponent's monster, Put the top card of your deck into the gauge. Gain 2 life. If you have 3 or more hero, draw a card. For 2. We have 1 left.
Yeah, down to 5.
Down to 5. Yeah, 2. You cannot counter. It's attacking alone. Well, I can counter.
No, when I have no monster in the center.
2, 4, 6.
The game.